Peace and blessings, peace and blessings. If you're watching this right now, you're a great entrepreneur and a great business owner that may need some help getting content written out for your audience to serve your purpose when it comes down to your business. So I want to welcome you to www.tmigeneration.com/AI/command secrets. This ebook was created to give 46 AI commands slash prompts to use when you using ChatGPT. I know a lot of people have not used ChatGPT that much like that, but with this guide, you'll be able to crush it and earn faster. No matter what your niche is, you'll be able to use this ebook to help drive customers your way or to get paid to help other people with their business, right? So let's just say, like, you scrolling down here, this is the website. You're gonna click on more info. You'll go here. So it really breaking down things that will be inside of the ebook. And as you can read this right here, and it's only $1.99 one time. You get 46 commands. So as you know, on ChatGPT, you can just put anything inside of here and it's gonna be able to spit it out for you. So if you come to this website right now, you will get a free download that will look like this. And basically, the free download is basically thank you for your interest of the ebook. If you're viewing this, you're viewing just one of 46 AI commands for a one-time payment of $199. It breaks down what the ebook provides. You know, the person to give them their copy. So here's the example. This right here is the example. This is the command right here. This is the command. So I want to copy this. This is where in the download I break it down. Where it says my business decision, that's where you want to fill your information. So this is what I put. Evaluate buying an ebook that teaches about AI commands. It's just the example I'm using. Go to ChatGPT, enter the command above, and go to the next page. So it really breaks everything down. But I'm going to copy that same script that says right here. This is one of the codes that you will find inside of the ebook once you purchase it. So let's click this off. So let's go to Chat GPT. Yes. All right. So I want to put this in. So evaluate my business decision. Let's just say um evaluate starting a business in network marketing with emotional intelligence in mind. Recognize and manage both your own and others' emotions to make more empathetic and effective decisions. So let's just say, hit enter. And there you go. Look at this. Look how powerful that's just one prompt. It's spitting all this out for you just because you put in where I put starting a business network marketing. Imagine a lot of people don't have emotional intelligence to answer a business connection that they may want, right? As you can see, it's still putting things down there and it's breaking it down for that person. Say a person never started a business in network marketing, but you were their business partner or you're a friend or anything. You can be sitting up here using this prompt, just one of these. Put that right there, what I put in there with emotional intelligence. Now it breaks it down for the person who you gave it to. Now a person can come to you and say they want, evaluation of emotional intelligence behind a decision. You can sit up here and send this to them because it broke everything down: self-awareness, self-regulation, empathy, social skills, conflict resolution, decision making, leadership. Imagine, and this just one, this is just right here, this is just one code. Imagine what the other 46 commands are like. You can earn income off of this. Somebody will pay you for this information, or you may need this for yourself. You may need emotional intelligence for yourself when it comes down to making a business move. You put yourself in here as well. All of these commands only for $199 one time. And you will have these 46 commands in your phone or your tablet for forever, and you're free to give out commands. You want to help somebody else, that's your business after you purchase your copy. But wanted to make this quick video for anybody that use ChatGPT or need help with any kind of AI writing. This is the ebook that will change your life. So I don't know how long I will have this for $199. Like a lot of people telling me, Larry, you should have had this at $1,000, man. It's too much information. No, I like to help people where they necessary at. But if a person can't get $199 to have this type of information, I'm just gonna look at it as they don't want to necessarily grow. So again, go to your website, www.tmigeneration.com/AI dash command dash secrets to find this information right here. Click more info. It will politely take you to the checkout page, which we can go ahead and continue again, let you see the whole breakthrough. So once you have hit continue after you want to purchase your ebook, put your country, your name, your email. It's going to show you the overview. One charge of $199. You can use PayPal, you can use Pay Later, or you can use your debit or your credit card. A lot of people have been using this Pay Later. It's a great feature. You don't even have to pay nothing back right now. They'll just pay it for you, and you can pay them back in installments. So it's a great information to use for ChatGPT. It is. This is powerful versus a person just coming in here and just, typing some things and asking a question. You can at least be having some prompts and commands that can serve your purpose and help your bank account at the time. So hope you have found some value in this. This is a great ebook to have for anybody that's just starting out with Chat GPT and you need some commands to further your business. Please feel free to go to the website, pay your $199, receive your commands, and I look forward to your success story the same way so many others are finding success with a ebook that costs $199 one time with so much value. So I see you on the inside. It's the TMI Generation signing out.